Hi everyone, today's tutorial is on making a duvet cover that fits any size. So here we go. You need a tape measure, a pen where to write your measurements, and then a scissor to cut. So now I'm going to measure the width of this one. I'm folding it because my space is not. You measure your width. I'm going to multiply by 2. It's 44. You write down your measurements. 44 inches, 8 inches. You measure the length. The other side. It's 86. So it's 86 inches. So the bed is more than a queen. It will be more than a queen size. Then you take your material. This is gonna be the top. This is going to be the base. So we usually buy these ones in 2.5, 2.5. So on the length side is this one. The longer side is this one. So you add on 88, you add 4 inches for your hem where you are going to put the studs. Then for the width, you put just 2 inches, half inch the other side, half inch the other side. So it's 86 plus 2 inches. So this one is going to be 92 inches. This one is going to be 88 inches. So those are your measurements. So with me, I'm going to use the 5-thread cover seam. 5 threads, the one which stitches and overlock at once. So I'm going to match my stuff here, right sides facing. Right side facing like this. Two inches like this. You turn like this. This is gonna turn again like that for your buttons. So you need a double layer here. Some they put violin for it to be firm. Okay. For us to be able to put studs or buttonholes and button here, you have to turn this facing in like this, facing in like this. Then this one also facing in like this. Then you join like this, so that this, when you turn like this, you put studs going round. I'll show you. You see, it's overlocks and stitches at the same time. So you can stitch 5 to 6 inches on both sides, so that when you are ironing, it will just guide you. Sewing of the cover, we want to put the studs or the fasteners. You mark both sides. Remember I said you put a hem and you put this side. It's a hem which I got different dyes for different fasteners, for the purse, for the jackets, for the duvet and everything. So I've already sorted up my stuff, and this is my main machine for studs. So we'll be using this and this. So I'm going to start with the bottom. We put inside so that they don't show on the right side. this will go here on the other one. So you have to place it like this and press. Put enough pressure like this, so it will come to the other ones. This one. I've already marked, so I'll put the mark on there. And then we are doing the other side. We change the die and put the one for the other side. We change this one, you see it's different. It's for putting this one like this. These ones don't change, they are the same. So we come here. Then we put again. This one comes there like this. Then this one also comes there. But then when we are removing, it's just like this.